Welcome students. And we are starting the chapter number 2. That is search engine optimization. So in this we have seen many new things related to this topic. And we were learning the topic optimizing website. I think it last time where we have stopped, it was the topic optimizing website. And in optimizing website, we have seen two subtopics of optimizing website. The one was page structure, SEO page structure. And the second was SEO keywords. SEO keywords. If you have watched the lecture, you might have seen that we had stopped here last time. SEO page structure. In this class, we will all the structure, the tags, syntax, attributes, how to use it, heading tag, and so on. And in SEO keywords, we have seen how to use the keyword, and we have also seen search engine marketing. Okay, along with this SEO keywords. Now, third of optimizing website, the third point is SEO social bookmarking. SEO social bookmarking. Today we are going to start this topic. This is also the subtopic of optimizing website. Okay. Now, what is SEO social bookmarking, students? Social bookmarking is a way for people to store, organize, search, and manage bookmarks of web pages. Okay, what it is exactly, students? It means that it's a way for people to store, organize, search, and manage bookmarks of a web page. Now, in simple terms, if we say, students, only the meaning of bookmark is what? A bookmark is a saved shortcut or URL that directs your browser to a specific web page. Okay, what is bookmark? Let's note this down. Bookmark. Bookmark. What is bookmark actually? Okay, you should just have a note of it that a bookmark is a saved shortcut or URL, that is Uniform Resource Locator, that directs your browser to a specific web page. Getting students, this is the small definition of a bookmark. We are learning social bookmark, that is SEO, social bookmark. But before studying that, we should also understand what is bookmark. Getting students, so bookmark is a same shortcut or URL. URL is the address. Your whatever website you want to open, you first give the address, and that address is also called as the URL. So, or URL that directs your browser to a specific web page. Saving bookmark allows us to easily access our favorite location on the web page. For example, if there is something or some website is your favorite and you want to access it number of times. So instead of typing again and again the same address, okay, it's better to just use a bookmark. Okay, so bookmark is a very good feature in modern web browser students. Okay, now for example, if you have one of your favorite website, you want to access it, okay, and it's having a very long URL. So instead of typing it again and again, we just have the option in many browsers. You can directly bookmark. You can directly save your website. Okay, so bookmark are website links that are stored for future references. They are very useful, especially when web pages with long URLs are not easy to remember. So we'll just see one example of bookmark. Just see your students. Suppose I want to access any website. Okay, any website, whichever. For example, I just want to have the website I want to search. So now this is the example. You can see that I just want to have access to this site again and again repeatedly. So it's better I should bookmark it. Now you can just see this star icon here. Okay, this is the feature in Google Chrome, especially students, that with this feature you can bookmark. Look here. For example, Google search. If you want to bookmark it, you can just click on done button. If you do not want to bookmark, you can remove. Okay, so if you save it, this will be saved to done. That means this page, your website has been bookmarked. So whenever you want to access this, okay, you just directly have the bookmark options. So from your bookmark, you can directly go to the website which you have saved it. Okay, as a shortcut of your URL. Got students? Now just see once again. So what is bookmark, students? Bookmark are website links that are stored for future references. Okay, just remember this. It is used to store for future references. Okay, so they are very useful, especially when web pages with long URLs are not easy to remember. Okay, so it has given us a very good option or the feature that you can save your favorite websites with URLs, or you can have your files also. You can bookmark if you are using any application. Now this we will see what is social bookmark. Social bookmarking, student. This we have seen the bookmark. Now what is social bookmark? Social bookmark. What is social bookmark, students? It's same as the bookmark, students. Just a little bit change in the definition. Social bookmarking is a powerful tool in promoting a website. As we have seen since the beginning of our chapter, students, that SEO is basically the promotion of a website, and providing a high search ranking in a search engine. So basically it is only dealing with the promotion of a website, with high ranking of a website. Okay, so our chapter or our topic is revolving around these few terms. So you have to remember these terms very carefully, students, that SEO, that is search engine optimization, is basically dealing with the marketing strategy of your website. How to, make number of visitors to your website, and how to increase the traffic, how to increase the search rankings of your website. So it is very useful for off-page SEO optimization. You remember this, students, very important. Off-page SEO. Remember this? We have studied this in the beginning of our chapter, students. Types of SEO, off-page and on-page. Remembered it? Okay. In the beginning of phase of our chapter, we have learned about on-page and off-page SEO. What is on-page SEO? Remember or not? On-page SEO, basically, it is for what purpose? To achieve higher search ranking in your search engines. Okay, and what is off-page? Off-page SEO is basically what, students? It's all about promotion of a website. Remember this? We have studied in the beginning of our chapter. So this basically deals with what? Your bookmark or the social bookmarking is very useful for off-page SEO. Remember the students, it is very useful for off-page SEO. Okay, why? Because it is beneficial or useful in promotion of a website. So here bookmark, as we have seen in the example, there is a option or the feature in your web browser that if you want to bookmark any website, so you can have the URL or the shortcuts which is having the star icon. Okay, so the modern browser supports bookmark features, and in that the very important, or we can say very useful browser which we all are basically accessing is what? Our Google Chrome. Okay, so we can save the bookmark in the browser by clicking the star icon next to the URL in Google Chrome. Getting, students? So now, in bookmark, students, external links are important SEO factors to link a website for higher rankings in the search engines. Okay, so you have to see that external links are very important SEO factors. Okay, because when we have the links, students, it will create links which is backlinks also. Okay, so backlinks is what? It's very important for promotion of any of the website or a web page. So with social bookmarking, we can quickly create high quality backlinks. Okay, students, we have to remember this because this topic is there in our further chapter. Which one? The backlinks. Remember this, backlink. Backlinks. Okay, backlinks are the links on the website that when clicked, take the user to another site. Very important term, students. Remember this also, that backlinks are what? Are the links on the website that when clicked the user to another website, another site. Okay, so backlinks are very important in any of the promotion of your, you can say, promotion of the website. Social bookmarking has backlinks also, because backlinks plays a very important role. So, and backlinks can be in the form of images as well as text. Okay, remember this very important point again. Backlinks, they are in the form of images, or they can be in the form of text also. That means if you are having any website, there are images which is linked, okay, which is having hyperlink. So when you click on that image, another website gets opened, or else we can have the simple text also. Okay, like for example, I'll just draw any this is your image, okay, and here somewhere I have created a link. This is image. So here one link is there, for example, yahoo.com. So when I click here, this is the clickable region. So when I click here, the Yahoo website gets open, or we can have a simple text. Okay, simple text, yahoo.com. And one very important thing, students, whenever we move our cursor on the text or images, if it shows you the hand pointer, so that means it is the link. Okay, and how to create a link, which we have already studied in our 11th standard students, how to create a link. We are creating link using which tag? Using anchor tag. Remember that anchor tag. And how we use anchor tag? Using ahref. And we give the linked file. Okay, students, here linked file is there, and we just have, for example, here I have given yahoo.com. So this is my link, but there should be some text so that where I can click. So I'm giving this yahoo.com, and we just close the anchor tag. So in this way, a clickable part of a backlink is created, and high quality backlinks can help to increase a site's ranking, position and visibility in search engine results. So backlinks are very important, students, and backlinks we are going to study in our further chapters. Again, it's a subtopic of this, optimizing a website. So hope you have understood this topic. What is bookmark? Okay, so in this, what we have studied, students, in our chapter search engine optimization. In search engine optimization, since beginning we just see this is the third subtopic of our optimizing website, and the chapter is search engine optimization. We have seen first SEO page structure, SEO keywords, and then we have started with SEO bookmarking. So bookmarking is what, students? It's a way for people to store, organize, search and manage bookmarks of a web page. And we have seen one example also, students. Okay, what example we have seen? That how to use a bookmark. I will show you once again. Here, this is the Google site. I just want to have the SEO example. Just see here, students, here the icon has changed to blue. That means it is a saved website. Okay, and if edit bookmark for this tab, if I want to edit it, I just want to click it. Okay, if do not want it, I can remove it. Okay, and it will be done like this. And what we have seen, students, the definition of a bookmark is what? A bookmark is a saved shortcut or URL that directs your browser to a specific web page, and it is used for future references. And what is social bookmark, students? It is a powerful tool in promoting a website. As I have said you students that SEO, the search engine optimization, is basically for what purpose? To have a high search ranking and to promote your website. So it's a powerful tool for what? For off-page SEO. And here we have seen that off-page SEO is to promote your website, and on-page SEO to achieve higher search ranking. This we have studied in our chapter in the beginning phase. Okay, students, so hope you have remembered this. And for this we have to create links, external links, and in that what we have to see backlinks also, students. What are the backlinks? Backlinks are the links on the website that when clicked takes the user to another website. You might have seen, students, on the website there are so many other links also available. So when you click on that website, some other website gets open. So again, this is a very good way to promote your website, because users are directly going to another website through your website or through somebody's website through your website. So backlinks can be in the form of images or text. So I have shown you how to create backlinks using your anchor tag. Okay, you have studied this in your 11th standard in HTML, how to create a link. Okay, so your backlinks can be in the form of your image, as well as it can be in the form of text also. So hope you have understood this, students. Okay, so in the next lecture we are going to start with the fourth point of this optimizing website. So just revise this topics repeatedly as you have the video lecture, so you can just anytime can have a revision for this. Okay, so hope you have understood this. So thank you for today. Stay safe, stay home.